This isn't necessarily somewhere in Bangkok, but it's somewhere in Thailand. I wanted to give you some travel tips if you're staying at any property. I am a Marriott guy. I am in no way trying to say Marriott's not a good property. I love it here. It's just to get laundry done is very expensive. I typically, with my status, will get several pieces of laundry done free. Unfortunately, at Chiang Mai, they don't offer that to people with status. So right outside the front door, there's a laundromat. So if you want to get your laundry done, you don't have to use the Marriott laundry service. I find that what they have done next door to be incredibly good. And I'm sure the same would be true with places in Bangkok or anywhere in Thailand for that matter. So stay to the end. I'll break down all the costs at the Marriott versus how much I paid at Top Best Laundry about 20 yards from the front door. Stay to the end. Marriott doesn't pay me. This is not a paid promotion, but I want to show you why I am a Marriott guy. This was a free upgrade. They were doing some work on the floor I was on. I was eating breakfast and they somehow tracked me down and offered me this executive suite. I paid, I think about on average for the 9 days here, about $180 a night. This is easily a $400 or $500 a night room. Big sunken tub there. Beautiful view. There's a shower. Bedroom that can be closed off completely. The view is crazy. I don't know what the mountain name is, but there's a mountain outside. And then we have a living area that is completely separated as well. So, yes, I'm a Marriott guy and I will take the free perks. They did not pay me for this video. Actually, I'm criticizing the prices. So here's the cost for the Marriott. 2 pair of jeans, $440. 2 dress shirts, $400. 4 t-shirts, $600. 2 Victoria's Secret pajamas, $200, not mine. 5 pair of socks, $250. 3 pair of underwear, $240. So here is the totals. 2,130 baht equals $65.10 to get 1 bag of laundry done during my stay. So now I'm going to show you my journey to the laundromat. I guess I'm really just showing you the hotel at this point, but I do like the property. There's a JW Marriott in Bangkok, which is really nice, but they have the Marriott Marquis, which has a crazy weekend buffet, the best buffet in Bangkok. The JW has a Sunday brunch, which is also equally good. But a nice property. If you have status with the hotel, you have access to the M Club every night from 5:30 to 7:30, drinks, and more than hors d'oeuvres. It's like a meal. The same thing at the Marriott. I don't think it's an M Club. That's a newer name. But so I just left the property, just go out the side, hang a left, and the laundromat's right up here. It's really close. And I've already been there. This is the 4th time I've dropped laundry off. I get it done daily. I have all my clothes. I could have brought less clothes. But here, nice lady's going to help me. And I'm looking at the prices.
You want to do today? No. Today, tomorrow.
Tomorrow's fine.
Tomorrow afternoon.
I'll tell you what. Let's do today.
Today?
Yes.
Okay.
So today, with ironing, 150 baht.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
7 p.m. Mr.
Oh, I'll fill it out.
You want to do me send you to the hotel?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
1204.
Yeah. 450
Oh, 450.
for 2 kilos.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
I drop you to the concierge today.
There's 500.
Yeah.
Oh,
Drop off you to the concierge. You can contact in the concierge
yes.
in the evening.
So 3 kilos of clothes. Well, that's 6.6 pounds for you Americans, 450 baht. Current exchange rate, that's $13.75. That is for the express service. I'm picking them up tonight at 7, so a little more than 4 hours. But if I picked up the next day, it would have been 3 kilos. To wash and iron is 80 baht, so that's 240. So it would be somewhat less, $6-7 if you're willing to wait the next day, but it's cheap enough. I just went ahead and got express service. I'll show you the clothes when they get here.